Hey guys, this is what I wake up to. Come on, boss, let's go pee. Come on. The snow's right up to the door. Like, that's deep, guys. You know, hopefully my my new truck can make it out of here. But like, look at the boss. I was trying to get him to go out. He won't go out. Go outside. Go pee. Come on, let's go. Go pee. Come on, boss. Let's go. Come on. Oh, wow. This is crazy. Yeah, I might want to grab the keys. Well, let's see if the truck will even move. With this snow, this is crazy. I don't think I've seen it this deep. Come on, boss. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. There's my new ride. That thing wasn't cheap. Nissan Xterra Off-Road Edition. Comes factory jacked up. It's got 33-inch tires. No rust at all. This thing's mint. Like, absolutely mint, guys. See, Off-Road Edition. 6-speed manual. So it's got modern anti-theft because nobody drives manual now. Yeah, this thing's awesome, guys. It's got a big engine too. It's a 4-liter. Comes with, those are brand new extra tires. Comes with brand new tires, and it's got a custom bumper. It has to be installed and everything that came with it. The guy I bought it off of bought a brand new Xterra. Well, 2015 Xterra. So you give me a good deal on this. This thing is nice. Factory off-road Xterra. This is the best, one of the best Xterras they built, that Nissan's ever built. But yeah, guys, like, that's insane. Look at the snow here. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get out of here. We're going to find out. My poor dogs, they got to trample through the snow. Look at them. Look at him. The snow's over him. Yeah, look, there's a chompy. They knocked the damn bowl down. Crazy, guys. Look, it's almost up to my dish for the internet. That's how I get my internet, is through that satellite dish. Well, that's my morning, guys. Hopefully I can make it out of here, plow this laneway. If not, my neighbor has a giant snowblower. I'm going to see if he can come and do it for me. Okay, have a good day, guys.